Well, there's a new technology in cosmetic dermatology that aims to restore muscle structure and improve skin quality. This is without using injectables or fillers.
It's described as a natural lift for the face and neck with no downtime or bruising. Joining us right now this morning to show us how the machines work, demonstrate the procedure right here, is cosmetic dermatologist to the stars and to the moon, Dr. Jarrod Frank. Nice to have you here.
Thank you. Thanks so much.
So who is this for? Who would this work on?
This technology are for people who are trying to put off more aggressive technologies, people who don't want to do too many injections, who don't want to get surgery right away. And what it does is it kind of stimulates and improves the architecture of the face from the muscle all the way to the type of the skin.
How does it work? Do you want to show us?
Yeah, so it's actually the first FDA-approved machine of its kind. You're going to hear some beeping.
Okay.
To actually stimulate and strengthen the muscles of the face. So it's putting things back where it wants. While this is going on, it uses synchronized radiofrequency heat. And what that's doing is enhancing the muscular lift and tightening the skin.
I think we might have a little video to show on
yeah.
that. Let's see it, and maybe you can kind of talk over it if we...
Yeah, you can.
There we go. Okay.
And you could see the little contractions that start happening here.
Oh, yes.
It's almost like what we call mewing when you kind of flex
It's like one of those
the muscle.
stimulus.
This is a medical version of that. And what M-Face has been around for a couple of years, this is the new handpiece that everyone's been waiting for because everyone complains about the neck.
Right, it's all about the neck.
Is it a one-time procedure or
You do it 4 times. Do it once a week, 4 times. And then, you know, it's maintenance depending on your age, how much you're looking to achieve, what other procedures you do. But you could actually see the stimulation of the muscle and you're kind of feeling the contraction, right? And there's also heat there. And what's great about this device, it's no downtime, it's non-invasive, it works, and it can be combined with other technologies, one of which is called the 𝐓𝐫𝐞𝐚, which is also a newer device that uses heat, both in radiofrequency and ultrasound, to boost collagen, target the skin. So you're not just getting the muscular improvement here, but you're really tightening up and improving the elasticity all over the face.
What's our patient's name here?
Oh, what's your name again?
Stephanie.
No, this is
Stephanie.
This is Stephanie. This is Samantha.
Hi, Samantha.
Hello.
Stephanie, is that painful? Does it hurt? Is it uncomfortable?
Absolutely not. You just feel a little heat. My muscles are contracting without trying, but it's not painful at all.
All right, so are there any risks to something like this?
Well, you don't want to overdo it. It needs to be monitored by a healthcare professional. This is not a spa treatment. This is much more than what the estheticians do with microcurrent.
Okay.
You can hurt somebody. So you really have to monitor the energy, the heat, how it's done. Once this portion is over, you can use other devices like the 𝐓𝐶 where you would use ultrasound and just heat up the tissue. There's always a risk of burns, but this is why this is a medical device performed by healthcare
I got
professionals.
it. So once again, I'm asking for a friend like me. Who would be a good candidate for this? If you have a real bad turkey neck.
Then that's surgery.
That's surgery.
Yeah, but if you're in your 20s, 30s, 40s,
20-year-olds
50s,
are doing this?
Oh, yeah. 20-year-olds complain about the early stages of loose skin or a little pocket of fat under their chin. And it's always easy to clean up your room before it's too dirty. This is a non-invasive device. We're only going to get so much out of it. But it does improve the natural production of hyaluronic acid, collagen. It strengthens that muscle. And really, a lot of people are fearful now of too much injections, what I call that med spa face, where they're just like over-injected, where they start not looking like themselves.
And everybody can tell that you did it.
Exactly. Because the point of doing this is so you can't tell anything was done.
Rough estimate, how much is this?
This could start at around $4,500 for a series of the treatments for the 2 of them together. There is some maintenance involved, but it's natural looking. It doesn't change the shape of your face, and it just restores you back to the way you are.
So when you do something like this, do you look weird the next day?
No, actually, people will do this before a red carpet event. We did this all throughout Fashion Week. The award shows are coming. A lot of people, you know, it's almost like working out like before you go to the beach.
Right.
So you see that immediate difference and then the long term.
We'll start doing it before the show each and every
I'm
morning.
wondering too, and also what about those of us who are always looking down on our phone and things are like happening?
This is exactly why M-Face added this new handpiece, because people are always like, well, you're doing the cheeks, you're doing the forehead, like, come on, what about the neck? And this platysmal muscle that holds us up is constantly challenged all day, and this is what it's going to put back in its place.
All right, Dr. Frank, we appreciate it.
Yeah, where can people find you?
Well, at Dr. Jarrod Frank on Instagram and PFRANKMD.com on the internet.
Thank you so much.
Thanks so much.
You were spectacular. You were flawless. No screw
What
ups
did
there.
you do? What were you doing? Were you pressing buttons that we didn't see?
She's making sure I'm doing a good job.
Exactly. There you
A
go.
doctor always needs a good nurse.
We
Thanks, Dr.
appreciate
Frank.
all of you. Thank
That's
you
right.
very much. When we